Hi my loves, make this simple palava sauce or contour stew with me. In a saucepan, I've just added my palm oil, which I've allowed to warm up. I've just added my chopped onions, allowed that to saute for a couple of minutes, add in the blended tomatoes and peppers, add in your seasoning, and allow this to cook or simmer on a medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Come back to your stew after that time and then add your protein. I'm using lamb, mackerel, smoked mackerel, and shrimps. So I've just added my lamb, all my meats, let me say it that way. And like you can see, it's all done. I have my agushi paste. It's basically agushi powder with water that I've made paste out of it. So I'm just adding that to my tomato sauce. And I'll allow that to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's well done. And then I'll come back to it. At this point, our sauce is cool, it's on course. You can add extra water to loosen up the agushi if you want to, or you can just continue from here. So I'm just gonna add my smoked or roasted mackerel. This was smoked or roasted at home. I just got the fresh one, and then I marinated it and popped it into the air fryer so you can make it as well. I've just added that, and I want that to marinate with the stew. After some few minutes, I'll come back and take the fish out of the sauce because I don't want it to break, but that will be reintroduced after adding my spinach and my kale. This stew is quite famous amongst West African countries, so let me know how you call it in your country. We call it palava sauce. I know the Nigerians call it Egusi, but we have Agushi or palava sauce. So let me know in the comment section how you will call this stew in your country. Here we have just introduced my kale and my spinach. I already showed you in one of my videos how to blanch your spinach and your kale. So if you've not seen that video, you can go back and watch it. And I've also added my shrimp. Cover it, allow it to cook for 5 minutes. I come back to that and it's all looking beautiful. At this point, I'm going to reintroduce my fish to my stew and allow it to simmer for extra 5 minutes, and we are done. Our stew is ready. Let me know what you are going to pair this stew with in the comment section, because guess what? This stew goes with varieties of dishes. You can pair this with rice, you can pair it with yam, plantain, potatoes, what have you. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for being part of this family and being a subscriber, encouraging me to go ahead and grow in this niche. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so and let's grow together. Thank you. I love you. Bye, y'all.